All right. The winds were too high. The wind was too high, so I'm going to do a little ground test of the vlog helmet. And it's bumpy. I'm going to get out on the taxiway so that I can get my throttle up high enough to be, well, I think I'm going to. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get on the taxiway just long enough to get some full throttle. And that way we'll have enough engine noise, and we'll also have enough wind that we'll know what we're dealing with this particular motor. And that way I can test the audio and know how much noise is being filtered out versus not. I didn't think to ask Carson whether or not it was okay to get on the taxiway. I hope he's not irritated with me, especially since airport people are there, but I can't do it. I can't go half throttle with the without being on this smooth pavement. It's just too rough, too bumpy. So here we go. And that was a good test of the throttle noise. This is also a good test of the throttle noise because I'm raising my voice and we can turn it down. Yep. I'm going to put it back up.
You can just roll it under the shed right there, Tony.
All right.
And I'll just plan on seeing you this evening. Maybe we can get some good air.
That'll work good.
All right. See you then.
Uh-huh.